The AI revolution isn't a future possibility. It's here. Today, nearly every company is investing in AI, yet only 1% of leaders feel that their organization has fully integrated it. That gap means that billions of dollars in technologies could just stall without the right guidance. At Ascend, we help bridge that gap. We work with organizations to transition from experimentation to measurable results by training their teams, refining processes, and ensuring AI tools are truly adopted. Our programs show employees how to interpret AI outputs, spot anomalies, and turn insights into decisions. Partnering with us means that you can offer clients more than software or solutions. Together, we empower them to unlock productivity and innovation, benefits that only AI-savvy teams can achieve. Businesses are eager. 92% plan to increase AI investments, and 77% are actively using or exploring AI. They need experts who can help them succeed. Let's collaborate to deliver the training and readiness solutions that the market demands. Reach out today to discuss how we can partner to guide companies through the AI era.